Okay, we're just going live, waiting to send all the data to each platform. We should be live very promptly. Okay, welcome everyone. We're going to be trading the US 500 today, scalping using Solvent GPT and its image recognition and predictive functionality. So it won't just be the US 500. We'll look at different stock picks, things that the GPT recommends, you know, and feel free to follow along, suggest tickers. Why don't you type here in the chat?
Sure, sure.
Just type if you got any tickers.
Oh, any tickers,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Promote some activity. Well, we can see here. Let's have a look at the US 500. There was this huge drop on Friday. Oh, what's happened here?
Oh, you clicked off the
Oh, right. Okay.
But yeah, how are we doing today, guys? Down below.
So we can see here, there's a huge drop on Friday, and it's sort of just recovering back now. We should be seeing the price recover up back to 6110 today.
Yeah, a lot of movement.
That's what I think. But yeah, drop any tickers you have down below. Pass them over, and we'll have a look. We'll do some research into the different stocks for you, help you out with some fundamental analysis today. Any questions you have that you want us to put to the test with the GPT, do feel free to do that. But we're going to go ahead, we're going to jump right in.
Fantastic. Yeah.
So yeah, we're
We were
in the,
saying that, well, we think the US 500 is going to retrace back upwards to the point it was at. Um, when was this? The point it was
it
at
was on
Friday.
Friday, yeah, just when the market closed on Friday.
We're currently on the 15-minute. Yeah, it looks like a big drop downwards, a sweep of some sort, and it looks like it's slowly retracing. Let's get some fire emojis in the chat. Let's get cracking. But yeah, what are you guys plans for the day? You trading anything in particular? Drop it down below. We'll take a look. We'll do some research. We'll take some trades.
And nothing will go unmissed, so we'll always keep an eye on it, and don't feel shy to say anything. But we're gonna take a screenshot of the US 500 on our 15-minute time frame and upload it to the GPT like so. Very easy. And we've got some pre-engineered prompts here. So this one says, this is the chart of the US 500 right now. Deeply analyze the trends and patterns. Tell me if I should take a long or short right now. And it specifies as well that we're an intraday trader. Analyze deeply for a tight take profit and rationale. Okay, so here it's identified the indicator that we have. The VSLRT recommends a long with a tight take profit of 6,060. So that's up here. We could be seeing that within the next half an hour.
Very possible.
Yeah.
Yeah, very, very possible. I think it will be bullish over the next couple of hours, and it's definitely something we can look into. We're going to take quite a few trades today, guys. But look, if you're looking at anything in specific, if you're thinking of trading anything, that isn't the US 500, drop it in the chat, and we'll take a look at it. We'll do some analysis and see what our AI thinks of it. Now, we've just asked, concisely tell me on a scale of 1 to 10 how likely this recommendation is to work.
Says 6 out of 10. So
6 out of 10.
we'll hold off. It's not. I mean, the signals are relatively aligned. It's using its own signals as well as the ones that we have here, but it's not the certainty is not there for us. We personally like to act on 7 out of 10s and above. Um, that is also because we're leveraging here on our trading platform on capital.com. We're leveraging 90,000 US dollars in equity. So we're gonna go with 7 out of 10s. And what I like to do as well is consistently ask and reinforce the GPT with multiple screenshots, and that way it can give the recommendations
Yeah.
based on the live chart. So if it says 7 one time, then it goes down to 6. Obviously, it won't take it. But if it says 7 consistently, maybe 7 goes to an 8, then yeah, we'll go ahead. And the trade that we placed last week actually was it was the first 8 that we've seen.
Yeah,
and
it's a very good sign.
We made
exactly what we're looking for.
$1,300 US.
I think it was around the lines of that.
Within 10-15 minutes. So
yeah, well, we will keep up the momentum today, and we'll take some very nice trades.
Yeah.
We're just surveying for the perfect setup at the moment.
Exactly. So we've got a wider time frame here, a little bit more granulated. So that's the drop that we saw on TradingView here, and we can see it's sort of slowly recovering back upwards. And I think over the length of the stream, we're going to try and just enter a position here more long term over the next hour. So in terms of what I just said as well, we'll wait a little bit just until we have a 7 out of 10. But in the meantime, we can quickly ask what the best stocks are for today. So give me a list of stocks that I should trade today with the most predictive but high yielding let me rephrase that. High predictability, high yielding. I am an intraday trader, and because we're only going to be streaming for about an hour and a half, we're going to specify that as well, and we'll only be in a trade for a maximum of an hour. Give reasoning as well for each stock. Here we go. If you got any questions, yeah, feel free to ask. And again, this GPT, you know, it does run on a subscription basis. So this is something that we want to provide to you with a lot of value for free on live stream. And here we go. So recommended stocks, we have Tata Steel, Hindalco, Sale, all these different ones, and then banking sector we have, you know, a few here to choose from. So go ahead, take your pick.
I mean, Bajaj Finance in the banking sector looks very interesting.
It does sound like it's not in the New York Stock Exchange. If you know what
I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure what their
let's have a
ticker
look.
is. Oh yeah, there we go.
Oh
Bajaj.
wow! Look at that.
Well, it's not on the New York Stock Exchange.
No, it's not. And this, let's specify again. Refine this list to ones. Oh no, it's fine. We'll trade these when the market opens. Let's have a look here.
Balkrishna Industries. That could be a good one.
Which one? Balkrishna Industries. Okay. I mean, here it looks like it's a little bit of consolidation.
We've got a comment.
Yeah.
Can you guys pull up CHEK, please?
CHEK, yeah, absolutely. So provide a
CHEK.
chart of CHEK, and we'll pull it up on TradingView as well. I mean, we are like the GPT does have a partnership with TradingView, so it's the same thing. Make sure that I've got the right one. Yeah.
Check cap. Yep.
Okay, let's zoom out a little bit. Now, is this one that you're looking at long term or short term?
Yeah. Is this a long-term trade? Hi, Mesh.
Hi, Mesher, welcome back. How are you doing today?
We are good. We're live. Just doing some trading. We're taking a look at CHEK.
Okay, so this one is on a 1 hour time frame, and still a little bit. Let's go to 4 hour.
Going to a 15.
1 day.
How you doing, Mesha?
Look at that.
Wow.
Got this huge candle here. Um, and this over here is back in, okay, 2023.
So we're gonna later today we're gonna do a AI versus viewers challenge. Artificial intelligence. We're gonna in our chat we're gonna have artificial intelligence versus our viewers, and we'll see what the market thinks. EnviroClean KC says it's a short-term trade on CHEK.
Okay.
Fantastic.
Okay, short-term trade. What are we saying? Like
Let's just put
a
in
week?
a 5 minute just for now, and
5 minute?
we'll see the movement, see what way the stock looks
Let's
like
have
it's
a look.
moving. Okay, looks bearish at the moment.
Yeah. Let me just zoom out further.
Be advisable. We'll see what the GPT thinks, of course. I mean, myself, I would go with a short-term short.
It's currently at around 70 cents. Give me an analysis of check for a short-term trade. Yeah, let's just so have a look at that now. Not too much detail in that question. We'll see what answer it provides. So, it has provided us 1 hour to daily with a buy, entry level at 77 cents, exit at 85 or 0.92, so stop loss at 0.74. Okay. And why? So here we have the rationale, so do you want to read that out?
Yeah, so the rationale and the reason why the GPT has recommended this, CHEK is currently trading below its short-term moving averages, and this is indicating a potential for a short-term bounce. The price is near the 10-day EMA, suggesting possible upward movement. The RSI and the MACD indicators should be checked for confirmation of oversold conditions and bullish momentum. Stop loss is set slightly below the current price to manage risk effectively. Fantastic. So we've got a trade set up from Mesh, a long trade on Europe to USD, targeting a couple points movement. Okay.
Okay, so what we're going to do is ask the GPT to give us all the necessary statistics and analytics required to make a well-informed decision. You guys are probably reading that as I was typing. But that's just because, there's a lot of data in the GPT, and this is really good for a research tool. So, obviously you have on TradingView, you can open up all the different analytics, strategy builder, chain, volatility. But here you have it in a very concise form, all in one place. And it's also not only giving you the data, but giving you an analysis, a consolidated analysis, as if you had a hedge fund manager doing it for you. So here we have current price, exactly where it is now. Indicators that you should use to trade the stock, and you can also ask it for what settings to have your indicators at, as well as if you're using a particular indicator and you want more to add on to that, you can ask the GPT exactly that. You can ask, which one should I add to the RSI if I'm trading Apple, for example. Anyways, back to what we have here. So it gives us trend analysis, key levels where the price has historically reached, and sentiment analysis as well. Set stop loss to manage downside risk effectively. So
we'll check your trade in a minute, Mesh.
yeah. So just trading. It's been trading below its short-term moving averages, indicating a potential for a short-term bounce. So if we go back up here, yeah, it's saying for a short-term bounce here, for a retracement. Okay, what was the trade that Mesher mentioned?
So it was Euro to USD, and he's gone long.
Would you like to pilot here?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So we will go. Euro USD. Fantastic. So let's get into maybe a 5 minute. So his entry was 1.0468.
Okay.
Pretty much where we are currently.
Yeah.
And his take profit is 1.4866.
1.04.
So around here. That's very possible, very doable.
So this is just a comment that we've received of someone's trade, and it's at what levels? So where we currently are at.
Yeah.
And he wants to take profit at 1.4866.
Yeah, just slightly above. What we
Okay.
can do, we will ask the GPT what it thinks will happen.
Yeah.
So I'm going to attach the image we just took. Euro to dollar. I think we've uploaded two there. So we're going to say, I have taken a long stop loss at 1.04, was it 68? No, 86. How likely is this to work? Fantastic. So we'll see what the GPT thinks, see what the GPT recommends us to do from here. Stop loss. Okay, stop loss. Oh yeah. Done it the wrong way around.
Alright, let's just ask it one more time.
Take profit. We'll
Take
see what this
profit,
gives
yeah.
us. Yeah, I got the stop loss and take profit mixed up.
Okay, let's analyze this strategy.
Let's just attach the image.
Just
Cool. Yeah, it looks promising. Take profit is slightly above current level. Modest upward move is needed. The recent trend appears to be in a slight downtrend. Likelihood of success: if the price can maintain upward momentum and break through any nearby resistance, it is feasible. Monitor volume and technical indicators for confirmation of bullish momentum. Fantastic. Yeah, very doable, very possible. We'll just have to monitor it. I think what we could do now is see if it's the right time to actually place a trade. So that we can.
Let me try ask it.
Hi Josh, how you doing? You trading anything today, Josh? Any tickers you want us to do some research? Just drop it in the chat and we'll take a look. But yeah, we're gonna do viewers versus AI later. So we're gonna ask you guys what you think the market, what kind of moves you think the market's gonna take, and we're gonna compare it to the AI. If you guys win, we'll give you something special. If we win, you have to check out our website. That's the deal. All good, mate. Okay. No worries. We'll give you some tickers anyway. I mean, what we're going to do, we're going to look for some undervalued trades that we can take today, that you could potentially, do some research on, maybe place a couple of trades on, and we can go from there. Okay, theoretical trade on euro to dollar.
Okay, so just wanted to provide you a little bit more measure, because I don't think that was enough information there, but suggested stop loss at a level around 1.045. Depending on your risk tolerance and the volatility of the pair, but time frame for take profit, it could take around a few hours to a day, and then the current take profit is reasonable if the market shows bullish momentum. So you'll have to wait for a market open for that, and then alternative take profit, if you observe strong bullish signals, consider setting a higher take profit.
Cool.
Then risk to reward as well, ideally at least 1 to 2, keep an eye of technical indicators. But if you have any more questions, do ask.
We do have another question. So from Joshua, new to trading, so don't know much. Would you be able to give me some info about what you guys do and where to start?
Yeah, so if you're new to trading, this GPT is more than capable of teaching you how to trade, and taking you through that whole process of learning firstly what a chart is, all the way to placing your first trade, and then beyond that. But if you're sort of within that level, you can ask the GPT like a research tool, and it's specialized. Its answers are specialized to tailor for someone who's trying to learn about trading, rather than just if you asked ChatGPT or went on Google, and it'll provide you with learning about indicators. You can pair it with actually placing trades as well on the go if you're paper trading, etc.
I mean, this is a fantastic software to not only inform you of any sort of trades you want to take, it's a fantastic software to actually do any sort of research, planning, strategy that comes with trading. So you can effectively outsource all of the menial work and a lot of the tough parts of trading. You can outsource this to our software. Now, in terms of starting trading, there's a million people on the internet that will tell you a million different things. I think the best thing to do is just start paper trading, use fake money, use a demo account, and stick to one chart. Only trade one ticker. So, I mean, myself personally, I stick to the US 500. If I'm doing any futures trading, I will use the ES, which is essentially the futures market version of the US 500, and I'll go from there. Now, don't overcomplicate things. Only try and learn one strategy at a time and stick to that strategy. Stick with the ticker that you want to learn, and make your money that way. Make sure you're profitable before you start trading with real money. Things like this software are a great way to sort of expedite and get past the beginning stages that will take anyone a very, very long time to sort of master. So software like this was created to not only save you time by creating these reports in the blink of an eye, but also to really just make you a profitable trader. We've got a fire emoji from Carlo. Let's keep up the fire emojis. We've got another comment. Should I give me rationale to my trade? Should I give my rationale? I mean, go ahead. We'll find out what the software thinks. I mean, what's your thesis, Mesha? I mean, we'll go off of your thesis. We'll see what the GPT thinks. So we're just looking for an entry into the US 500 trade. And I mean, Josh, what we're about to cover is a feature that we use the software extensively for. We're going to take a photo of the current chart. We're going to give it to our AI, and the AI is going to tell us exactly where to enter and exit. So there's essentially a fantastic way of finding the actual entry and exit points. It will give us all the information we need to bear in mind while taking this trade, as well as any sort of risk that will be involved that we just need to keep our eyes on. Yeah, it'd be interesting to hear your rationale, Mesha. I mean, it's very plausible that it will reach the levels it was at earlier. So yeah, we're trading. We're not going to be. We're only online for the next 45, maybe an hour. We're going to go over some of the main functionalities of the software. Undervalued trades, insider trades. We'll do some best performing trades.
Yeah, so
could do some crypto.
Yeah, exactly. We'll get into that very shortly. We were in the 15-minute time frame just then, and I just want to widen the scope a little bit for the GPT, because as you can see here, we're going to the 45-minute. The VSLRT has darkened in color here, and it's converging. Possibly, spotting that uptrend, but it does say to short at around 6045 with a target of 6020.
It's possible. I mean, we should ask for economic news and why it believes that is a plausibility. So we'll just ask, what is the economic calendar, the US economic calendar for today? Mesh has left us a comment. Higher time frame and analysis. 1 hour order block last Friday at 1.45. Fibonacci level bounce off 88.6% in line with the order block. Fantastic. So a lot of technical analysis. And that's all off of the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, we will take a look in just 1 second. Quite a lot of economic news by the look of it. 6-month bill auction. Manufacturing index. We've got Fed bar speech, Fed barking. house price index month on month and year on year. A lot of news for today, so this could impact how the market moves and what will take place. So yeah, market opens in 25 minutes. We're just going to set up maybe a trade or two and go from there.
Okay. Do you want to have a look at some crypto projects?
Sure.
Okay. Go ahead.
We will say something along the lines of, give me the
There's this one crypto project that was recommended by the GPT back in November called Kubetics. Now, we used the GPT to have a look at it, do some research into it. It looks very promising. I mean, even today, it's still recommending it as one of the leading altcoins in decentralized finance, which is, the next biggest thing in crypto for this year, decentralized finance.
yeah.
It's ranked second and it's still in pre-sale, so it's one that I'm highly considering myself.
Yeah. Now we've got a comment from Mesher. I'll get into the Euro USD trade in just 1 second. We'll just go through some of these altcoins. Take profit 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. That's fantastic. We'll go into that in a second. Rexus Finance, known for its real-world asset tokenization, allows investors to purchase fractional shares of assets like real estate and commodities. Fantastic. We can take a look at that one. Dogecoin, it has maintained a strong community and been endorsed by influential figures such as Elon Musk. We have Stellar, focused on fast and low-cost cross-border payments. It's gained support from major institutions, and its real-world utility in global finance makes it a promising choice for long-term growth. And then we have SUI, next-generation blockchain, designed for fast transaction and low-cost smart contract execution. Developed by former Meta engineers, it has attracted significant interest for its scalability and security features. We're going to take a look at Stellar, I think. Very similar to XRP in nature. Stellar Lumens.
I've got this one in my portfolio as well.
Yeah. So it empowers builders to unlock human and economic potential, combines a powerful decentralized blockchain network with a global ecosystem of innovators to create opportunities as borderless as ideas. It's a lot of words. Essentially, it's a decentralized public blockchain that gives developers the tools to create experiences that are more cash than crypto. Cool. Very nice website, as with a lot of these crypto companies. Instant global payments. Fantastic. So a decentralized finance coin. Very powerful, very similar to XRP. MoneyGram. Yeah, so a very promising coin here. Something to keep on our radar and something we will take a look at. Another one we could say, we can go with SUI. Next generation blockchain designed for fast transactions, low cost smart contract execution. Very similar in nature to Solana, and very well in the future could become
SUI.
Maybe.
Why is it called SUI?
SUI, no idea. Let's see. Why is it called SUI? Sorry. Oh, I think that's
I think you have to specify.
SUI crypto. Thinks we're talking about Switzerland. named after the water element in Japanese philosophy.
Okay.
Very interesting.
Is that like pertaining to liquidity?
Perhaps, perhaps.
All these websites, they look so clean and like futuristic.
Yeah.
Interesting. What was it that Mesher said about the Euro USD?
So he looked at it from a 1 hour time frame, and then he was looking on the 5 minute. So we'll go into the 1 hour Euro USD. We'll just analyze it. How are you guys though? Leave some any tickers you want us to have a look at, drop them below. Any requests or potential trades, you know, drop them down below. We're just taking a look at the euro to US dollar. You know, if this software is something that interests you, down in our description of whatever streaming service you're on, there should be the link to a demo, so you can sign up for a demonstration of this software and
Actually, start a new one. Yes.
yeah, you'll be put in contact with a member of our team. They'll just show you exactly what this software is and exactly how it can be used to make you a profitable trader.
And did he have a question for that, or was that for his previous trade?
And it was for his previous trade.
Oh,
So
I see, the one that exited at 104,566.
Yeah.
10566.
Who's playing Among Us? Archie, what are you watching? You watching Among Us? Yeah. You chimpanzee. One day, guys. If we get 10 viewers, one day we'll show you Archie. We're gonna give you an Archie. We'll do an Archie episode.
Okay, so it's recommended us to buy entry level 10460, first target 1.050.
Fantastic. So the software definitely thinks your
1 hour time frame.
Yeah, the software definitely thinks your strategy is plausible. Definitely thinks it is going to go up, and you know, going long would be the best sort of plan you could take, given this recommendation.
Is that right? 10566?
566.
Or was it 466?
Meshes was
4866. 486.
4866. Yeah. 1.04866. So yeah, very plausible.
US 500. I do want to get in on this. Moderate to high likelihood of reaching 1.04866. So your take profit, and let's see. Here's the rationale. So current price is close to the 10-day simple moving average. Yeah. So did he mention simple moving averages?
I don't
During
believe
that
so.
technical
He
analysis?
said so. On the 1 hour time frame, there was an order block last Friday, Fibonacci bounce off of level 88.6, and it was in line with the 1 hour order block. And then on a lower time frame, the 5 minute, there was a fair value gap which broke the previous high, and retracement into the fair value gap is the entry. Fantastic. Wow, that is a big list of undervalued stocks. 20 undervalued stocks that we can trade today. Now, of course, we can conduct any sort of research we need, but 20 is very good.
Okay, here's some of the most undervalued stocks to consider investing in for 2025. There you go. It gives you concisely exactly which companies, and it comes down to you to go and pick which one you want to focus on. So let's have a look. We'll go with the first one. So, known for its water heating and treatment products, A.O. Smith. Give me an analysis of AOS. What do they do? And why are they undervalued? We're also, yeah, as mentioned earlier, let's have some predictions going when we place our trade. So we're gonna enter within the next 10 minutes, just before market open. Put your predictions in the chat of what you think what the price will be within the next half hour after that, and we're gonna place a trade as well using the GPT. And we'll see.
Yeah.
If we're wrong.
Huh?
If we're wrong, what should we do?
If we're wrong?
Yeah.
If our viewers win, we will give you a one of a lifetime experience in terms of streaming. We will show you some crazy sites. Yeah, we will show them you. You come here and check what we've written. If viewers win, so we've got some rules. We've organised viewers versus AI. If viewers win, guess what happens? We beat up Archie.
We've done the Archie reveal already.
Archie reveal. We'll do an Archie stream soon. This guy's famous for eating biryani out of the bin. Now, if we win, you don't have to eat biryani out of a bin. You have to check out our website and sign up for a demo.
Yeah, just check out our website. Have a look at it.
I mean, check out our website now. It's not too much of an ask. It's very beautiful. It's very futuristic and modern. And it displays absolutely everything that we currently do. So we have a lot of things going on at the moment. We have a proprietary trading firm. We have the GPT that we're using today. We have AI agents, the next biggest sort of move in the AI market. This will be the future one day, AI agents. And then we have a portfolio clone that will be coming out very soon within the next couple of months.
Yeah, but have a look at the website. I won't do that here. But let's see. So it's given us an analysis of A.O. Smith Corporation, and it gives us the financial outlook, earnings per share, strategic positioning. All of these things would take you maybe a good part of an hour to have a look at these and calculate them for yourself. But it's done that within a few seconds here. So undervaluation. Some analyses suggest that A.O. Smith is undervalued compared to its intrinsic worth, presenting potential investment opportunities. And the growth potential is that the future outlook includes double-digit profit growth over the next couple of years, which could attract investors seeking growth stocks. You can also see what our sources are here. So there's something called a DA rating, and that's just how credible a source is, or a news publishing website. And we don't choose anything So all of these are a rating of 95 out of 100 or above. So that's why we have, you know, 1 or 2 sources here. So it's taking it from these articles as well as the financial data within the market at the moment. So it's comparing the two, and yeah, that just gives you an idea of how it works. But I think we should go in for a trade here somewhere.
Let's zoom in a little bit. We're on a 5 minute. We'll go into a 1 minute and see what's happening. I definitely think it could retrace up to, what is that, 6046? I reckon it will reach. But of course, we won't try and catch a falling knife. We'll wait for it to stop, and then we'll ask the GPT what it believes is the best course of action. Of course, market opens in 10 minutes. We'll be very careful of you know, any sort of movement, and we will look for an entry around here. But yeah, if you're sitting at home, maybe you're at work and just watching, maybe you've got us in the background while you're doing any sort of analysis or looking at some tickers, you know, drop your tickers or any trade setups down below. We will rate them. We'll tell you what the GPT thinks. You'll be able to see for yourself what the GPT thinks, and we can go from there. You know, it's a fantastic asset to have, and you get to see it firsthand as a viewer. But yeah, a lot of movement down in the US 500. We will see what we can do. But yeah, I mean, even if you aren't trading today, just drop a comment, tell us where you're from. You know, what time is it for you if you're over in the States? You know, what time zone you in? How's the weather today? It's actually brightened up quite a lot in the UK. Yeah, first time I've seen the sun in a couple of months.
It's so lovely outside right now.
Yeah. Well, we're saying it's lovely. It's about 15 degrees.
Visually
that's Celsius, yeah. Celsius, so that's different from Fahrenheit, guys. Completely different from Fahrenheit. But this is quite rare, quite nice.
Okay, the GPT is recommending a short here at the current price to 6,030. That's pretty significant.
Okay.
Let's ask for confidence rating again. 7 out of 10. Okay, we'll update it over the next few minutes.
I think we should go for it.
You think
we should
so?
go for it. Yeah.
Okay, let's see. If it reinforces to a 7, yeah, we'll go for it.
I think it is a 7.
No. Like, we're gonna ask it again.
Okay.
Yeah. Remember, Gabe, can't just go based off of this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have to ask it again and again. I mean,
we will see. This software, I mean, as I said earlier, it's a fantastic way of expediting and outsourcing all of the planning, the strategy and research that comes with trading, and it just lets you get on with placing the actual trade itself. Of course, you can update the GPT while you're in the trade. You can show it what the chart is performing like and allow it to sort of build a opinion on what to do next. And we're just taking a look at a crypto coin we were recommended a couple of months ago.
yeah, so, you know, there are all these different crypto projects that we have available to our knowledge with the GPT. And so this is one of the ones that were recommended. I was a little bit hesitant into investing in it. And that's because I couldn't find anything on their developers and their team members. And on LinkedIn, they didn't really have an extensive history on creating crypto projects. So that was it. But other than that, what they're trying to achieve and the sort of algorithms that they've got, it's very impressive.
We do have a comment, so from EnviroClean KC,
Anyways,
from Kansas City in the USA, it's 43 degrees, and I'm assuming that's Fahrenheit. What time is it for you in Kansas City? That's Central Time, isn't it? or is that
Central time must be around 8,
maybe
8:30.
10 Central Time? 6 hours behind.
Oh, okay.
Am I stupid? What did I say? I said 10, didn't I?
You said 10, yeah.
Okay. Let's check just quickly. I think we should take this trade.
7 out of 10 again.
Let's check where Kansas City is. Kansas time zone.
Should be 8 a.m.
Central time, yeah. 8 a.m. Yeah, maybe I am just special in the head.
Oh, Luke. It's alright, mate.
Central 8:25 in a short on 3 crypto tokens currently. Wow, we're definitely interested in crypto. Drop some of the tickers that you're trading at the moment. What crypto tokens you're trading at the moment? Archie Boner, Bon says look at gold. Tell me what is that, Archie Boner?
No.
Oh, sorry, my eyes. Archie Bonnell says,
okay.
look at gold and tell me what entry and exit points are for gold. Let's have a look at some gold trades. But yeah, Kansas now. Kansas is always a place I've wanted to travel to. So we're just finding some information on that gold trade. Oh no,
yeah.
sorry, on the US 500 trade. We'll take a look at gold in a second. Up nice and early. What do you think about the market in Viraclean, KC? What do you think will happen today? I definitely think it's a little bit bearish for the US 500. Gold, as we know, usually operates inversely. So we're trading dog with hat. That is Bitcoin and KI at Kaito. That's very interesting. We'll take a look at Kaito. I've never heard of Kaito before.
Alright, and then take profit. 6030. Okay.
Fantastic.
Gold, right?
Sorry, gold. Yeah, we're just going to take a look at gold, and then I'm going to have a look at Kaito because that's not something I've ever heard of. Bearish, yeah, fantastic. Yeah, dog with hat. We'll see how that's performing.
Okay, so what was the suggestion or question?
Question was, tell me what entry and exit points for gold.
Okay, no problem.
That's dropping as well. And we'll put it in the chart for you, Mr. Archie. Should I act or wait? Where should I enter the exit? Dog with hat. Dog with hat must have a lot of movement at the moment. Bitcoin, we will see how they're performing. Suggest a trading strategy for scalping gold in the next 30 minutes. So we're going short around 2,941, take profit 2,938, and stop loss 2,944. Right, let's get some, we'll get that in the chat. Where is he? Mr. Archie. We'll type it in the chat for him. So what was that? 2941. TP 2938. Stop loss 29.
Market's about to open.
Fantastic. We'll go with that. Market's about to open very quickly. What is that?
There we go.
$410 in profit. Fantastic. I do want to see, I want to take a look at Kaito, this AI coin. Oh, sorry, a crypto coin.
Let's go. Show me the money. Okay. So it said 6 out of 10 for this trade here. Let's ask it now.
We have a comment from Mesha. My goal trait is wait for retracement to enter at 2946. Stop loss above the high at 2957, and his take profit is 2918. We'll take a look
He's
at that.
on he's probably on 15 minutes.
Yeah, very bearish. Looks like there will be a small retracement and then it will continue to drop.
Says consider going long around 2943, 2947 to capture the upward momentum. Seven out of 10. Okay. What do you think? Should we enter a gold trade? Let's have a look at our current one. Okay. What do you guys think?
Let's take a look at KAITO. It's one of the tickers we were given. A crypto coin. Not sure if it'll be on Trading View. Oh yeah, it will.
This one?
Yeah. Can do some research on it. See what they're moving.
Okay, so they were just recently added to the market. Did someone suggest this, or was this from?
No, it's just what EnviroClean KC is trading.
Let's go into a new chat. All right, let's go back here.
A lot of volatility in the market currently.
Yeah. All right, so it says here to enter at the current price and exit at $2 for a quick take profit. Stop loss of $1.70. Reason: the breakout above consolidation with increasing volume and positive indicator signals suggest a bullish trend. Okay. Probably could have been a bit more concise with my question there, but let's have a look here again. Should we look at gold?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah. I think after this we're gonna go back to the stocks to trade today for
Sure.
scalping,
Sure.
ones that were recommended.
Yeah, we will continue. We'll continue streaming for probably the next 15 minutes.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, if you guys have any tickers you want us to have a look at for the next 15 minutes, you know, definitely drop them down below. Dog with Hat, a very strong trade today. Concisely tell me on a scale of 1 to 10 how likely this recommendation is to work. Got to go. See you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye, Mesh. We'll see you in tomorrow's stream. Hope you guys are good. Check CHEK. We'll see what CHEK is doing very shortly. Let's have a look. CHEK. Check out. Whoa. That wasn't there a minute ago or 10 minutes ago. Yeah, they opened very strong. Market opened very, very strong.
It was at 0.7, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It went up to $1.29. Let's have a look at what the GPT says. So check short-term 1 hour to daily, buy exit target at around 0.85.
Yeah, so that trade
to
would have won.
0.92. Yeah, would have been a pretty good trade here. Yeah. So, was there any reason why you had to look at that specific stock? How did you find this?
So I'm assuming, Enviroclean, that you knew that there would be news on this ticker, or they'd open significantly higher. Asking for a list of the best stocks to trade in the US market today.
Okay. Let's try XOM. Let's scalp this. be a bit too granulated. Let's go 5 minutes. Zoom out a little bit more. I quite like the 5-minute chart. Okay. What do you think?
Yeah, a lot of movement today. ExxonMobil is always quite a volatile stock just due to the sector it's in, the energy sector. Geopolitical events, of course, make the stock fluctuate a lot more than your average US 500 company. So it's very, very advisable to use software such as this that can predict these moves, check these moves, and compile a huge amount of information very quickly in order to best inform yourself of how to take this trade. So just asking for a scalp trading strategy for ExxonMobil. Scalp trading strategy.
Okay, price action. Noticeable volatility with price swings between $110 and $112. Entry at 111.50. Exit target 112 to 150. Okay. Wait or trade if the current price is near the middle of the range, 110.96. Might be better to wait.
Yeah, that would be advisable. A smart strategy indeed. How's the US 500 trade going? Whereabouts are we?
Must have exited already.
Yeah, fantastic.
Our take profit was 6.030.
Fantastic. That's what we like to see.
Okay.
But yeah, any tickers, guys, that you want us to take a look before we go. We're going to end the stream in probably around 8 minutes. So drop any comments in the chat and we'll take a look at them. So the idea of CHEK low flight idea did come from a text alert service called Zip Trader. Okay, fantastic. So an alert company.
Did you enter that trade?
Yeah, did you enter that trade, EnviroClean?
EnviroClean?
EnviroClean KC. But yeah, drop any sort of comments on what you guys are trading. As you can see, US 500 is falling quite rapidly at the moment. Wow. That is a lot of movement downwards. And it's what the GPT predicted as well. It's fantastic.
Currently, we're just having a look around because all these different stocks, there's no good opportunity to enter at the moment. So, I mean, it's not always going to happen when you want it. You do need it. It is a waiting game. We're gonna keep having a look back at our favorite US 500.
Yeah, we're just going to take a trade or two before we,
just before
we
we
wrap
end the
up the
stream.
stream.
Hopefully we can show you guys something quickly here. Okay, it says to short 6025. Take profit at 6010. Slight recovery could be a temporary pullback, providing good entry for a short position to scalp it. Okay, let's ask for how likely this is to work. 7 out of 10. What do you think?
Yeah.
I mean, it's already pushed down quite a bit. Let's see here.
It's very possible it could continue dropping.
Let's just reinforce the GPT here.
But yeah, we're going to end the stream in about 3 minutes, guys. So drop some comments, any question you want to ask us today, and set up any sort of trade you want to take for the day. Of course, we'll be back online tomorrow, just going over any sort of questions you have, any sort of tickers you want researched, or maybe if you want us to trade them, you know, drop them in the chat.
Maintain a short position. We could have entered at 6025. I mean 6010. That would still be a pretty good chunk of profit there. Let's enter for a sell. Let's wait for. Let's just see what this candle does here.
But we've done a successful trade today. I'm very happy with that. We will see what the GPT thinks. Last 2 minutes of the stream. You know, any information you want us to go over, drop that down below. We'll take a look.
6 out of 10.
6 out of 10. Fantastic.
Alright, for the sake of the stream, let's just go for it. Alright, so it was a 6 out of 10, but we're already seeing some profits here of nearly $400. But we'll wait. We'll wait. Let's have a look. What was that company we? Esco Technologies.
ESCO,
So
yeah.
this is one of the technology companies that we had an insider buy for by the president and one of the directors. They each bought around 356,000 shares at the start of last week. So we were having a look at this for a long-term investment, and we found it when it was at 161 here. It's back to 161. I mean, last week we saw it there, now it's come back down. I mean, it does look like this movement is going upwards. This would be a great opportunity to buy back in. I wouldn't be surprised even if the president and director have just bought in again. But let's ask it again. What were all of the insider buys from last week? Provide me with how many shares were bought at what price and what percentage of holding. And it also said to diversify with Duke Energy, who are a more established energy company. Just to diversify portfolio. So what we did is we took Esco Technologies. We asked for how do we diversify a portfolio of $10,000, for example, and it said to allocate 20% towards Esco, 20% towards Duke, 20% towards another technology company, and then there was another one that was just an EFT. So let's see.
Yeah, I mean, this software can be used in so many different ways, not only to actually go ahead and place trades or find any sort of strategy or trading strategy that you need for, whether you're doing a stock trade, options, futures. This software is fantastic for research, finding what insiders are doing, CEOs and directors are doing within their own company, and also just creating investment plans. So finding price predictions for the next 6 months, finding the best different stocks you can use to diversify your portfolio. I mean, there's a million different ways you can use this software to assist with anything related to financial markets.
Oh, okay. Look at this. HBI Haynes Brands. The director bought 75,000 shares on February 18th. So, yeah. So right here, stock dropped pretty significantly.
So obviously Robert F. Moran, the director, wouldn't have put money back into his own company if he didn't believe the valuation will increase in the near future.
Right, exactly. And so, I mean, look, that's a pretty significant drop there. All of last year, they were sort of... Okay, I mean, let's look into this stock. Give me an analysis of HBI. How far are they from their fair value. And would this be a good investment for over a year? Oh, there we go. 1,500 in profit.
Fantastic.
And yeah, we'll close there.
Amazing. 1.5k.
Nice, within 10 minutes.
Do that. We'll take that.
We'll take that for the day. So let's just quickly see here. Last thing, revenues down by 13% over the last 3 years. The fair value, while specific fair value calculation can vary, consider growth prospects and financial health. So we'll have a, you'll have to look at what sort of products they have coming down the line. Let me ask it quickly. I mean, that was a great note to end on, that last trade. Started today with about 89,000. On the better half of 89,000, and we're now at 91,500. So it's a good day.
Fantastic. Yeah, I mean, we'll take it. We'll take it. Very good indeed.
So they've got zero waste operations. They're trying to reduce their packaging, sustainable materials, and you can see all of these initiatives play towards a better valuation. They've got innovative fabric technologies, so X-Temp technologies, Comfort Soft, all these different things, and they've got different products coming. So, I mean, it's no wonder the director has purchased 75,000 shares in it. Good investment to look into. But yeah, thank you very much guys for tuning in. It's been a pleasure showcasing the GPT's capabilities and trading with you guys, interacting, seeing what sort of trades you guys are placing as well. We'll catch you guys at the same time tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll see you tomorrow, guys.
Roughly 8:30 a.m. Eastern time,
Cool.
around pre-market. So thank you guys.